Hello, my name is Chakraborty. I'm working for Creative Thinkers Foundation, and we have initiated this event, STEAM. First of all, the meaning of STEAM here is science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics. So what we are doing is, we are converging all these things and coming out with something. And the final product is creativity. Now, what we have seen in the last 2.5 years or so, and for the time which we are working for creativity, see, everyone knows that creative thinking is important, but the awareness for creativity is not everywhere. People know what they don't want to do. So we thought of doing this initiative, taking this initiative, that let us just go beyond what people think about creativity. Because when we talk about creativity, people just think about the colors, crafts and all. But there is another aspect. That aspect is problem solving. And that is what we are doing over here. To give you an example, we have divided the entire students in 3 different categories. The Division 1 is from 8 to 12, Division 2 is from 12 to 15, Division 3 is from 15 to 18. The Division 1 is, they are the ones, those who actually come up with something absolutely different, because they don't have that hesitation to express themselves. And that is what we are doing here. Our event is actually divided into 2 different parts. The first part is creative problem solving, and the second part is creative expression. As I told you, both are very important. When they are solving a certain problem, the problems are hands-on. When they are solving a certain problem, we have researched about it, and we have seen that they do come up with absolute divergent ways of thinking. And their approach is something like this. First, they come up with so many approaches, and then they converge towards a certain solution. And that is what we actually want our students to do. Generally, whenever we give them any kind of mathematics question or something, they tend to lose focus when they are not able to do a certain problem. But when we are giving them a problem like this, where they have to solve in a team, brainstorm and do the thing within 15 minutes, that fear of failure, that is moving like anything, and that is our main agenda. That is what we are trying to do. But as I said, that there are 2 aspects of creativity, and that is a big reason we have kept another aspect, the aspect of creative expressions. After the creative problem solving, what they do is, for an example, let me disclose one. Today in Division 3, we gave a problem for creative expressions. The problem was that suppose you have completed your Masters in Magic Spell Management from Hogwarts University, and you have to sell your magic spell to the normal people. So what you have to do is, you have to create an advertisement where you are selling your best possible magic spell to someone, right? And what we have done is, we have given them products and something, they can make a collage out of it. And the final product will be a creative advertisement. So it will be a mixture of both. In popular culture, we know that they talk about the 2 sides, the left and right hemispheres of the brain. And there are many programs like midbrain activation and so many things which are going everywhere. But let me tell you, we actually are someone, not only us, but everyone, our entire brain works. This is not true completely that only the left and right side works. So that is what we are doing here, is actually the whole brain activation, where the logical side is also working and the creative side is also working all together within 45 minutes. And see, this is how we are spreading the awareness of creativity, the awareness of creative problem solving. And not only that, innovation is another thing which we are working on. Innovative thinking is actually applied creativity, and that is what we are also doing over here. That you never know that whenever a student is solving a problem, he may come with an idea which may push him towards innovating something different. Even that is possible. So this is our agenda of STEAM, and I hope we will be able to spread it in the entire country. Thank you so much.